Oh, you want to look at my phone? I have nothing to hide. Just give me 1 second. Hi bestie. Honestly, I don't know why I'm so excited for this video. My phone's not that interesting. Never has been, never will be. I just recently got the new iPhone 17 Pro. Yes, I have the new phone. I'll let you guys look through my phone. Here you go. To start off, girls, I obviously got the iPhone 17 Pro. Let me show you guys all my cases and where they're from. Okay, my first case is literally just this clear, boring case. This is literally from Best Buy. The first one I got is this beautiful black lace one. I had never seen a case like this before, and I just thought it was so cool. They're also great ASMR. My next pick was this case right here. I think this is so beautiful. The next case I got from them was this one. Polka dots are in. They're in for a reason. They're amazing. Now, the last case that I have to show you guys before I show you what's on my phone is this case I actually just received from Blunt Cases. So this is my lock screen. This has always been my lock screen, and I have never and will never change it. It's a picture of my grandma, my sister, and I. Now, as for the rest of my lock screen, I have made the time huge. I also made everything pink to kind of match my grandma's shirt, and also, like, why wouldn't I? It's my favorite color. On my bottom side, I just have "All in God's Hands" written. Honestly, I think it's a really nice message to have, mostly when you're looking at your phone all day, every day. I also have a heart right next to it, like a bigger heart, and that honestly does nothing. That's just there for the vibe. And right next to it, I have like a little small circle widget of Apple Music. If I just want to listen to some tunes, I don't have to fully open my phone and do all that. Press down on your lock screen and go to personalize. Press on the time. Pick that first font for your clock, because that is the only one that works to make the clock bigger. And then from there, just adjust it to like how skinny or chunky you want it. And usually this is what your clock would look like. So I don't know if you see that bubble on the right. You literally just stretch it out to how big you want it to be. That's basically all you do. As for the widgets, you literally just go on your widgets and make these. Okay, let's open that phone. This is what you see when you first ever open my phone. So for my wallpaper, it's just like a bunch of little kisses. For the top of my phone, I have a music widget. So this widget is amazing. I saw it on TikTok, and do you have to pay $10 for it? You do. And did I do that? I did exactly that. Please look at this. And that little top section you see at the top of your phone, I literally press on it and it takes me directly to the song, to my Apple Music if I just like want to change it up. Then I have a calendar widget. I feel like it's a necessity. On the top right corner, I just have the boring apps, you know, necessity apps, but boring. What's in my pictures? This is really embarrassing for me to be showing, but this is me after Halloween coming back from a night out. Then on the bottom corner, I have just like my social media. Look at this recent post, girls. Tell me I'm not gorgeous, perfect, and beautiful and amazing. 8. This is my Snapchat. I don't post on my Snapchat too often. I really do want to start posting. I want to be like those influencers that like post their whole life. Just ate, just breathe, just took a shit, just wipe. Go ahead and follow me. This is my TikTok. This is my main TikTok account. This is just the one I'm most active on. So if you actually want to like watch my content good, definitely go on this account. This is my main account. What used to be my main account. Honestly, I have not used this account in ages. I quite literally just use this account to post like a normal teenage girl, like for my friends' thirst traps if I'm feeling cute-delicious. Honestly, I don't even have drops like that since I got a new phone. Okay, girl, you look beautiful. Wow. That was at our Friendsgiving and we were all insanely drunk. I hate my chungus life. I hate my chungus life. That's me trying to do a TikTok turn on my boyfriend and him absolutely ignoring me. Now we have 4 little folders. I actually don't have anything written for the folders, and the way that I did that is I quite literally just searched up blank space and I copied and pasted it. For my first folder, this is like my work money folder, I guess. Oh my god, I get 14k monthly views. Am I famous on Pinterest? How did I not know about this? I have my own private pins, but I do have some public ones. For example, all of my nail inspo, and you guys always ask me about my nails. Literally all the nails that I've ever liked in my whole entire lifetime or have done myself are in this Pinterest board. For my next folder, it's all kind of like my responsible money, and obviously like the wallet app because that has all my cards, and I use Apple Pay like my life depends on it. It's actually crazy how much I use Apple Pay. I'm always like, Then I have my shopping addiction, literally just everything to fuel my shopping addiction. Obviously, I have my streaming services, Netflix, HBO Max, Prime Video, Peacock, for whenever Love Island comes out, a new season of Barbie. On the bottom, I just have the basics, FaceTime, phone, messages, and WhatsApp. Honestly, I use these quite a bit, mostly FaceTime. If you are a close friend of mine, I will call you for absolutely everything. For every minor inconvenience, I will either FaceTime you, call you, or send you a voice memo. Let's see what my last text was to my bestie. Oh, this isn't interesting though. Wait, why are we boring? Why are we not talking shit? Ooh, we are talking shit. But that's information you guys will not get until a couple months in a TikTok. That drama has to die down a little bit before I can speak about it. So on the second page for my phone, I have another widget. This is a picture of my boyfriend and I have this picture of me that I feel like goes with the vibe. Then on the bottom, I actually did this widget and it just says work until you don't have to introduce yourself. It's a beautiful motivation because it's true. Then I just have a bunch of folders kind of on one row and then actual apps on the other one. I have my school folder, I have my food folder, I just have this which has just like all the apps that I need for my house, and it also has like the car app. Then I have my health folder. For my other row, I have Life 360 and Find My iPhone. I love stalking my friends and family, so those are definitely, I have to have those out and about on my screen. Now moving along, I have this huge widget of me and my boyfriend. This picture was literally taken just a few days ago for our 4-year anniversary. You believe I've been with this man for 4 years? And right below it, I have another widget. Literally takes a bunch of pictures from Pinterest. So every time I look at my phone, it's like different pictures from like the For You page or like homepage on Pinterest. Okay, now on to like the whole hidden apps thing. I love that Apple did this. I know this is not a new thing, but I love that you don't have to have every single app on your homepage. Like, it is so nice. The first game I have on my phone is Ball Sort Puzzle, and I actually got this game from my mom. My mom is on level like 4,000. I'm not even joking. I'm gonna do it until I fuck up. Should I take a risk here? Whoa. And I fucked up. Then I have Minecraft. Oh my god, I used to be such a Minecraft person. I absolutely love Minecraft. This is the last world I did. I go through phases. My boyfriend and I go through phases of playing Minecraft. And this is the house that I made. Wait, this is amazing. Then I have Roblox and Episode. I was just playing Episode with my sister-in-law. Let's play The Player. What's your first name? Andrea. Wait, no. Elizabeth. No. Valerie. I've always low-key wanted to like... Should I just play piano? No, piano. I've played piano for as long as I can remember, and I'm good at it. But yeah, I think that's it, girls. When I told you guys I have the most boring phone, I do. Oh my god, my boyfriend called me. Wait. I still hope you guys enjoyed my what's on my iPhone. I loved spending another Friday with you guys, and I will see you guys on our next hangout next Friday. Bye.